was buy coming in there, sell coming in there, huge profits. Eyes have gone bearish at the open there, so it's just an exit, guys. With the volume, just an exit, not a buy trade, just an exit. Let it drop down and see what happens. Prop buyers are in the play just now, guys. Prop buyers are in play. You wouldn't be surprised at the fact that equities obviously are bullish. So we do have a buy macro prop desk in play just now. Algorithms are bullish. You can see that the price traded up to that previous level that we gave you a short while ago. And you can see what happened. The price traded up to that previous level that we gave you, traded up to it, sell imbalance came in behind it, the sell book came in behind it, and the price dropped right back off it again. So where are you going to be watching for demand? Well, you know where the demand is showing up. It's showed up in here, hasn't it? So that's the price you're watching. So you've now got a bracket of about 66s down to the current low price here of about 59. And that's your current buy side, sell side bracket areas that you're going to be watching around for stop hunts, liquidity grabs, and all the various other lovelies that go on around these kind of price points. Cables broke through the top edge with a bit of demand showing up, so quite happy to let it run through the stops. We got a +1 out the trade, nothing more than that, and we're just quite happy to let it run. It just couldn't make any big break to the downside, and we've got ABC selling, but cable's obviously broken higher with some little turn in the carry, but it just means we're going to sell at a higher price for the next rotation, guys. Quite happy to do so. Bonds, absolute rubbish. Buy trades off the lows. The only trade possible at 28s at the present moment, guys. 28s for me on the long bond, but not much of a response so far. It's went up to 0.3s, 5 ticks, 6 ticks, maybe 7 ticks if you got in it. Bottom tick price. This is the current bond trade for myself. Kind of rubbish at the moment, but you can see that with the red line dropping, the bubs and the bobs dropping, the only trade I want to do now is when the purple line separates, I want to buy bottom edges. Well, we got a bottom edge. I draw a line across my charts. I found the bottom edge in there. I also found a very high volume candle. We saw that there was some demand showing up from a couple of levels. Number one, the break-evens is now bullish. Oil prices are falling at that stage. So you know, why not? Why not take a punt? It's time to get involved in a long bond. When I was just talking there, it hadn't really done very much, but it's now exploded to the upside since I've been talking, and that's good news. Who's with me on the long bond? Anyone? I'd imagine with the bubs and the bobs falling like this, everybody would have been long bonds, yeah? Everybody should have been long bonds at that stage. And if we came up a little bit light here, that would have caused problems because a lot of you would have been waiting for that lower print. To be absolutely fair, I started to buy into it just above that level to see if we, just because I didn't think we were actually going to get the lowest low. So I started to buy in a couple of ticks above that price print in here. But it did drop through the lows. It managed to get some reasonable size on it because of that reason. And we've had a very, very good response to that so far, haven't we? Setting up quite nicely. Setting up quite nicely, guys. Damn, right it is.